taking us to waterfalls now. He told it will take around 20 minutes walk from here. So we are going to that waterfalls. This place is really awesome. You can see. Maybe I'll show you after the waterfalls.
Actually, this is our farming area. We're cultivating green peas and potato, some things, beans.
Okay. So this is your private area.
Yes.
How long it will take from here to waterfalls? 15 minutes. Okay. Look at this place, guys. So it's really nice. This is their private area. So what he told us, so once we finish this waterfalls, we'll be having our dinner, and then they will set up some campfire. They have some Bluetooth speakers, so we'll play some songs, we'll enjoy campfire, and then morning 7 o'clock we'll be starting our trek. He said trek will be for 3 hours. So, and again it depends on the climate, because it changes every day. So it depends on the climate. So we are going down to reach the waterfalls now. And we came late actually. Our actual plan was to come at 3 here, but due to the traffic we reached here at 5:30, and we took around half an hour to reach from that parking place to this Magic Valley. So it's almost 6 now. I think by the time we are back it will be dark. It's better to come early. I'll suggest you guys to come at 3 o'clock. Make sure you reach this place around 3 so that you can spend more time in waterfalls. I think we almost reached waterfalls. Maybe we have to leave early because of the time. It's already 6:30 here and it's a forest, so we don't want to take any risk. So this is how we have to go. You guys just now saw how we reached. Yeah, it's really thrilling, man. It's too good. It will not take 20 minutes, guys. It will take more than that. And we found some leeches also here. Something to be taken care of. We are getting down now. It's very slippery here. You have to be little careful here. I think we reached the place. Oh my god. It's in the middle of the forest. Hi Farhan. It's completely dark. I don't know whether I'll be able to shoot the video. It's already 6:30 now. We'll just take bath in the waterfalls and we'll go back to the campsite. Yeah, here it comes. I'll just show.